It has been 13.7 billion years ever since the world began, and since then, people are continuing to use the world's energy, from all forms such as geothermal, wind, solar, thermal, and even non-renewable ones like fossil fuels. But unfortunately, as new sources of energy emerge, population in the world also increases, and with this comes a shortage of energy in the world. Because of these reasons, it is important that we find a viable alternative to at least fill up the denuded areas in the world without energy.
Money, money, money. One of the most important things we need to go on with our everyday lives. With this, we can buy foods, things, and many other basic commodities. Money comes from all denominations, from 1,000 bills, from 500, 200, 100, 50, 20, 10, up to 1 cent. Unfortunately, denominations 25 cents and below are now usually taken for granted, most especially because of its lesser use, as compared to others.
Kuya, tumatanggap po ba kayo ng 25?
Oo naman.
Bakit ba? Sakit?
Pera natin yun. Alam nga namang itapo natin yung barya natin. Kailangan din natin yun. Mabububa yung piso pag walang 25.
Ng 25?
Oo naman.
Bakit po?
Kasi ang 25 mas mahalaga sa tindahan natin at panukli sa bilang sa sigarilyo at mas mahalaga sa atin kahit nakatabi ang 25 centavos.
Kuha kayo ng 25 centavos.
Siyempre naman.
Bakit po?
Hindi makukumpleto yung piso kung walang 25.
Kaya pa po ba kayo ng 25?
Siyempre hindi. Mabigat kaya yun sa bulsa. Ang dami. Puro 25 yung laman ng wallet mo. Ang laki lang.
Eh kapag sa tindahan po, tapos sinuklian kayo, tatanggapin niyo po yung 25 o itatapon niyo?
Hindi ko naman itatapon. Ibili mo ulit para bumalik sa kanila yung 25. Ganun lang yun.
Using a pen and paper, trace a 25 centavo coin, then cut it until you have at least 23 pieces. Prepare vinegar mixed with salt solution and the cleansed 25 centavo coins. Have at least 2 dozen of the 25 centavo coins. Now, assemble the connection between the bulb and the copper wire, and then pile up the stock of 25 centavo coins with a round paper soaked in the mixed solution. Lastly, connect the other end of the copper wire to the stock of the coins